Hello everyone. Now that the season is in its transition phase and most of you might be under the weather, chanting Tirunelakantham can help you to reduce the intensity of getting affected with cold and cough. If you are prone to getting infected faster, chant Tirunelakantham for 1 or 8 times in the morning and 1 or 8 times in the evening as a precautionary measure. Take care, stay safe, be blessed. For more such informative videos, please follow us on Instagram and save this video for later. Also, please like, share and subscribe my channel Magicfestation on YouTube. Stay tuned for yet another informative video soon. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Be blessed.